All right, guys, I'm going to make this video real quick and simple, guys. I am getting Google Chrome browser, no internet, no Wi-Fi, all right, no offline access. I'm getting free Chrome, free browsing. Check this out. Free browsing. I'm on AndroidPolice.com. AndroidPolice.com. You see all the images coming through. All the images are coming through. All the images are coming through. Opening up a link. Link came through. Galaxy Note 9. Link came through. All right, want to know more proof? Let me go home. All right, let me go home. Images are coming through. Images are coming through. Check out my other open apps. All right. The Hacker News. Hacker News website is working. All right. All right, that's all I wanted to show you. I am getting free internet with Google Chrome browser. Free internet, free browsing. All right, want no more information? You know what to do.